Let's look at cabin 8337, an inside cabin on Liberty of the Seas.
If you hear the alarm and you're not with your family, just find any crew member wearing a name tag. They'll bring you to your assembly station to meet your family. Hey Mika, remember when we went to the Aqua Theater and you met the Royal Caribbean performers?
Ooh, there's a couch there, that's good.
Yeah.
Bed is big.
Nice big bed.
Big telly.
The fastest and safest way for you to meet your family is to go directly to your assembly station. Thank you for watching this video and learning all about safety with Lulu and Mika.
Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
No shower curtain. That's
No
good.
shower curtain, yeah, that looks decent space. Reasonable floor space and storage.
Stay calm, don't hide, follow your family.
Yeah.
With your family,
Wardrobe.
find any crew member and they will bring
Shelves.
you to your
Safe.
assembly station.
Life
Have a
jackets.
wonderful vacation.
That's okay.